What is split-page note-taking? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of information you need to remember from lectures or readings? If so, split-page note-taking might be just what you need. This method is all about organizing your notes in a way that makes studying easier and more effective. So, what exactly is split-page note-taking? Split-page note-taking involves dividing your note paper into two sections. You create a narrow column on the left side and a wider column on the right side. The right side is where you jot down detailed notes during a lecture or while reading. This is where you capture main points, facts, and explanations as they come up. Now, the left column is reserved for keywords, cues, or questions. This section highlights or summarizes the content you have written in the right column. Typically, the left column takes up about 20% of the page width, while the right column covers the remaining 80%. Some people even add a third section at the bottom for a brief summary, usually just 2 to 3 sentences that encapsulate the main ideas. One of the best things about split-page note-taking is that it supports active learning. You engage with the material twice, first by recording detailed notes, and then by identifying key concepts or formulating questions. This dual-column approach can be especially helpful for exam preparation. The cues on the left can be used for self-testing or quick reference, while the detailed notes on the right provide context. This method is also flexible and can adapt to different lecture styles or subjects. You can take notes in various formats on the right side, whether that be bullet points, diagrams, lists, or mapping charts. The left side remains focused on summarizing or categorizing the information. You can use split-page note-taking on paper, where you have the freedom to format your notes however you like. Alternatively, you can use digital tools, creating tables or 2-column layouts in word processors. In essence, split-page note-taking is a straightforward and effective strategy. It improves organization and comprehension by separating detailed information from key ideas and questions on the same page. This makes it a practical tool for students looking to optimize their study sessions and retain information more efficiently.